motherfucker. Fucking weather, man. Look at this shit. I've got to go to get a wharf. So, if you watched my vlog earlier from like 2 weeks ago or whatever, a week or two ago when I went to my appointment, I got pulled up. I had no wharf, no reg, and they put me on compliance. So, today I'm going to go sort that out, go get my wharf so I can not have to pay huge fines for not having a wharf and reg. Fuck, man, my tooth fucking hurts. Whole fucking mouth is sore. It's kept me up all fucking night. Fuck this shit. Wait, have a look at this. This is what our weather looks like. It's fucking terrible. Jesus fucking Christ. Getting my wharf. Got sushi instead because apparently that's more important than my wharf. Tastes better anyway. I gotta go get a wharf next week now. So Wednesday next week, guys, we're gonna go get a wharf. Alright? Okay. Now I'm gonna go have a shower and then I'm gonna make some toasties. I'll probably show you my toasties because I make epic toasties. I am the toasty king. I want one of these, so I'm buying a new one. And now we're looking for light bulbs.
I'm also not dying anymore.
She's not dying anymore. How sad. Anyway, should I get a soda stream? It'd be cool though. It'd go really good with my new fridge.
Look, guys, I'm wondering if they taste like the Starburst ones that I used to eat. It's natural confectionery, juicy burst, orange and passion fruit flavoured jellies.
You probably could have turned on 2 lights. Oh, I'm having one. Okay.
One's orange and one's passion. Oh well,
Smells quite nice.
they're both orange and passion fruit, I think. What's your flavour?
Orange, I think. No, passion fruit.
It's a mixture of both, I think. Oh no, this one's orange. Let's try the passion fruit.
I like the passion fruit.
It's squirting out. Why is it squirting out? No.
Looks like a nipple. I'm not wrong.
I licked it.
I know.
That's yum. Oh, the passion fruit one's yum.
Anyway, see y'all tomorrow.
When hopefully I'm still not dying.
Hopefully. Big hopefully.